Balmuda the toaster uses steam technology, heat control, and 5 different modes to bring out the best in any kind of bread. The toaster delivers the ultimate aroma and texture. Unique steam technology and precise temperature control recreate the flavor of bread fresh from the baker's oven. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Pour 5 cc of water before toasting. The steam locks in the bread's inner moisture. Number 2. 4 modes to complement different types of bread and an oven mode for temperate control heating. Number 3. Second-by-second temperature control to achieve a crisp outside with a moist inside. Number 4. Revolutionary technology, heating more rapidly than air. A thin layer of steam envelops the bread, lightly toasting its surface, while keeping its inner moisture and flavor from escaping. Number 5. Precise temperature regulation. Precise control of 3 temperature zones creates superb contrasts of flavor and texture. Crisp and savory on the surface, moist and fluffy inside. Number 6. Taste, aroma, texture. Use Balmuda the toaster's variety of modes to bring out the best in every kind of food. Artisan bread mode, sandwich bread mode, pizza mode, pastry mode, over mode. Number 7. Clean compact design. Balmuda the toaster's compact design accents any kitchen decor or countertop, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it broil? Answer: there is no broil function that comes with Balmuda the toaster, but if you intend to bake only with the upper strong heat, it seems that using baking pan to select pizza mode is the closest result you will have. Question number 2. Where is the power cord? Answer: the power cord is located on the right underside of the unit. Question number 3. Is this recommended for frozen burritos and frozen breakfast egg, meat, and cheese sandwiches? What times and settings do you follow the conventional? Answer: you may use it for frozen items such as those. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.